Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix Twitter not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have stable internet connection and you have enough storage in your phone. After you check that, now you can apply this process to fix your problem. Firstly, you will need to clear cache for your Twitter app. So long press on your app. Different options gonna pop up. Tap on that option of app info. Now go to the option of storage and cache. Tap on that option of clear cache. Go back. Tap on that option for stop. Tap on OK. Now you can open your Twitter app and check whether your problem is solved or not. Likewise, the another solution is you have to update your Twitter app. For that, open your Play Store. Search for the app Twitter. After app appears, you will see the option of update or open. If you see the option of update like mine, just tap on it and update your Twitter to its latest version. After you update the app, just open it and check whether your app is working or not. Likewise, the other solution is you can just uninstall and reinstall your app. For that, long press on your app. Tap on that option of uninstall app. Tap on uninstall. Open your Play Store and install the app Twitter. After completion of installation process, you can just open and check whether your Twitter is working or not. If all of this solution doesn't work for you, then you can give a fresh restart to your phone. That may also fix this kind of problems. If still your Twitter app is not working, then it may be the server is down. So you have to wait until it is fixed and then you will be able to use your Twitter application. So these are solutions to fix Twitter app not working. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.